know I love my tea, so I definitely have to share with you some great gift ideas for all the tea lovers out there. The very first one is for the everyday tea drinker, just like myself. This mug, you guys, is actually my very most favorite mug to drink tea from. And this particular one comes with an infuser and also a cover or a lid that doubles as a coaster, which is really, really cool. This gift set comes with 2 blooming teas, and I've shared with you all the blooming tea time lapse, which I absolutely love because not only do you drink great tea, but you can also look at beautiful tea. And in case you missed that flowering tea video, this is how they look like. Isn't that just like amazing? I mean, that's why I also love this mug, because you can fit the flowering teas in them and they're just big and nice. And you can hold the mug all around because it's a double-walled glass, so you don't have to worry about it being hot. Another great holiday gift idea is for the entertainer who loves tea and who loves to host a lot of guests, kind of like me. But this teapot set is called the Buckingham Palace because it's meant to inspire hosts to hold that type of elegant parties. This porcelain tea set is perfect for high tea parties. I love it because you can see that beautiful rose gold detailing all around. You can use it for loose leaf teas, or you can even use it for blooming teas just like this one. You can also keep your tea hot because it comes with a porcelain warmer with a candle and all that, and I just love it. I wish I could host high teas all day long. Last but not least, for that person who's always on the go but loves to drink their teas, also kind of like me, I know these all-purpose tumblers would make a great gift idea for them. And the wonderful thing about these is that you can fill it up with whatever liquid you want in there. You can put coffee, you can put some loose leaf tea in there even. I like to mix it up with some cold or hot drinks, but this is my favorite tumbler because of the rose gold detailing. And I also love that this one is double walled and made of glass, and it's really, really durable, so the quality is absolutely great for gift giving. There you go, some really quick ideas on some holiday gifts for the tea lovers out there. All of the products that I have here are listed down below in the description box, and you all too have to try it for yourself because these are actually great products and perfect for the tea lover just like myself. So I hope that you all enjoy this video. Comment down below, let me know which one is your favorite, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!
Christmas is my